I'm Fiona and this is my YouTube channel Sing at Sight. This is the last video in the beginner's course and it deals with a very important topic, dynamics. There's a lot to take in when you're looking at a piece of music for the first time. And sometimes the last thing you might think to look for is these small letters written either below or way above the notes. But whether you sing a phrase using dynamics, so either singing loudly or softly, can make a difference to the feel of the music. F is short for forte, which is the Italian word for loud or strong. P is short for piano, which is the Italian word for quiet or soft. A quick tip though, make sure that when you sing piano, you still challenge yourself to sing confidently but quietly. Let's have a go at some examples. Here is the starting note, and this is the key chord. Pause now and have a go at this one. When you tried it, did it sound like this? Here is the key chord, and this is the starting note. Pause now and have a go on your own. This is how it sounds. Here's the key chord, and this is the starting note. Pause and have a go. Here is how it sounds. And the last one, I'll give you the key chord and the starting note. Pause for a few seconds and have a go. This is how this one sounds. Congratulations! You've now finished the beginner's course and you're ready to move on to my next playlist.